Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Johnson and this is my intro video. What do? I'm a video production teacher. I have a career technical education and arts media entertainment credential. I teach video production 1, 2, and 3 and hopefully 4 here pretty soon, as well as screenwriting as literature. Where do I teach? I teach at South Hills High School in West Covina, California. My technology strengths and weaknesses, I have to say that I'm pretty good with technology and I'm a pretty quick learner. However, sometimes I can get frustrated with technology, especially when I believe there could be easier ways for the program to do something. Sometimes I feel hampered at times by the limitations of any given program. What do I want to get out of this class? There's just so much out there that is new and innovative and could improve my classroom. I'm often lost at finding this technology because of just the amount of tools that are out there. And even then, it's hard to know what works best. I hope that with this class, I can bring some new ideas into my classroom to help improve student learning. Thank you very much.